My name is Rishit Basu and
My name is Rudra Mangla.
we are grade 10 students from Lodha World School Palava, located in Thane. So this is our robotic solution rover by our team Shinigamis. Its function is to go through the optical fiber cables and basically ride it like a monorail and repair, check for any issues on it. So as you can see, and a clear optical fiber. So as you can see, this is the seabed, this is a robotic solution, and this is optical fiber. It's going to ride on this optical fiber, and as you can see, there's no issue here, so it goes freely. But imagine that there's a rupture in the optical fiber, and this rupture is denoted by this black tape. Then the robot, once again going through normally, will stop at a rupture and send a beep. The beep will be sent back to headquarters, and the headquarters will then relay the information and then process the information and then give information related orders back to the robot, and which the robot will then repair that problem with its mechanical arms.
The main parts used in this robot are the IR sensors which detect for the damage in the wires, the Arduino which sends signals to the IC drivers and receives signals from the IR sensors regarding the damage and movement of the machine, and a main power bank and two cells which power the entire robotic module. The main benefit of the robot would be the cost effectiveness that it brings with itself. The way of repairing these optic fibers has been very costly as it requires human intervention and a lot of time. But these robots can do this in very quick time, like in 20 minutes, and they are very cost efficient as this prototype itself costed us around 4,000 rupees with major costs coming from the power bank and the Arduino.
I'll give an example of an earthquake on the coast of Chennai in 2001 and 2002. In an earthquake, due to the earthquake, major fiber optic cable off the coast of Chennai was severed, which resulted in Chennai losing access to the internet for around 32 hours. Now, as we all know, internet really connects the world, and the threads that current the internet are the optic fiber cables. So we are really repairing the threads. Now, as the threads are severed, the internet connection is severed, and so the entire Chennai came to a standstill because we cannot do any work without the internet. But so to repair that, we require 16 to 32 hours, lots of ship, lots of manpower, which requires millions of dollars of investment per year. Our robot can repair it in 20 minutes and costs a measly figure of 2,000 rupees to 4,000 rupees.
The main target of these robots would be the government and the repairing companies, which will produce this robot on a mass scale and which will drive down the cost, and it will also improve the efficiency in the repairing system of the optic fibers. Thank you.
Thank you.